Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by. Hello guys, welcome sa aking video tutorial, and for today's video ituturo ko yung kantang With a Smile by Eraserheads. No? So guys, kung gusto nyo nga palang makuha yung intro plucking nito, meron tayong video tutorial dyan, nandyan sa may description box sa baba. Click nyo lang yan guys, then mapupunta na kayo doon sa ating video tutorial para doon sa ating plucking na intro. No? So umpisahan natin siya guys. So sa tuning na ginawa ko dito guys, binabaan ko siya ng half step down para mas makuha natin yung original na kanta. Okay lang din naman guys kung naka-standard tuning kayo, walang problema doon. Pero kung gusto niyo makuha yung original key niya, so bababaan niyo siya ng half step down. Okay? So magiging ganito yung tuning niya kapag binabaan niyo siya. D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, and D sharp. So magiging ganun yung tuning niyo, no? So lalagay ko na lang dyan guys yung guitar tuning, then download kayo kung wala kayo ng guitar tuner, download lang kayo sa mga app store nyo, no? So walang problema guys ha, kahit naka-standard tuning, so parehas lang naman yung ano niyan, yung mga pipindutin natin na chord, no? Okay, so umpisa na natin siya sa verse, no? So sa verse, ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay G. So first, second, tapos ito ay sa fifth, ito naman ay sa sixth string. Tapos A minor, 7. So second, tapos ito ay sa fourth. Tapos B minor 7. Yan. So andito siya sa may second fret. Tapos ito ay sa may second string, tapos ito naman ay sa may fourth string. Ayan. Tapos A minor 7 ulit, tapos D. So third, first, second. Ayan. So ganyan yung mga chords natin ha. So paano naman yung strumming pattern natin? So ganito siya. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So ganin yung strumming pattern natin. Parang ganito siya. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Tapos lipat. Magalang ko lang ha. So, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Slipat. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Yan. So, ang papansin nyo guys, meron dyan naka-bracket. So, pag naka-bracket guys, ang magiging strumming pattern natin sa A minor 7 ay ganito. Down, down. Tapos sa D, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Hindi ko ha. Up, down, up, down, 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 up. So, ganyan yung strumming pattern natin, guys. Basta may makita kayo naka-bracket, no? So, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Yan. So, sample natin siya, guys, nang may kasama siyang kanta. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by with a smile. You can't win at everything, but you can try. Yan, so ganun yung mga strumming pattern natin at saka yung mga chords, no? So punta na tayo guys sa chorus. So sa chorus guys, ang gagamitin natin ng mga chords ay A sharp or B flat. Ayan. So nakabar siya dito sa may 6th fret, tapos ito naman dito sa may 3rd string, 1, 2, 3, tapos ito sa 5th, tapos ito ay sa 4th. Ayan. Tapos meron tayong D sharp major 7 or E flat major 7. Ayan. So andito siya, nakabar pa rin siya dito sa 6, tapos ito ay sa 3rd string, 4th string naman ito, tapos ito naman ay sa 2nd string. 1, 2. Ayan, tapos babalik tayo ng A sharp. Ayan, tapos D sharp major 7 ulit. Tapos magkakaroon ng F. Ayan, so nakabar siya sa may 8th fret. Tapos ito naman ay ipitin natin tong 3, 2, 1 na string, no? Ayan. Ayan, tapos babalik yan ng A sharp. Tapos D sharp major 7. Tapos A sharp ulit. Tapos D. Yan. So, ganun lang yung ating mga chords. So, guys, may naka-bracket ulit dyan. So, pag strumming pattern natin, ganun ha. So, down, down. Tapos dito ay Up, down, up, down, down, down. Okay? So, parang ganito siya, no? So, magiging ganun yung strumming natin, ha? So, samplean natin, guys, yung chorus. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said an easy way. F. Na, 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 anymore. This sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Girl, I stay. Yun. Tapos after nun, guys, verse 2 na, no? So, same lang yan, guys, ng verse 1. So, ganoon na yung mga pattern natin. Same na yung verse 1, tapos chorus ulit yan, tapos pupunta yan ng bridge. So, sa bridge, guys, same lang din yan ng mga chords. So, G, A minor, B minor, A minor 7 pala, tapos D. No? Same lang yan ng chords doon sa mga verse, no? So, 2 times yan ang ulitin yan sa bridge. So, samplean na natin yan, guys. Verse hanggang dun sa matapos na yung kanta, no? Girl, I stay through the bad times, even if I have to bet you every day. You get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life. Baby, you don't know what it is. A happy ending story. It's a wonderland. Turn your face into a frown. You'll get along with a little prayer and a song. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. So, 2 times yung bridge, ha? A minor, D, do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. In a world where everybody gets the ending story, it's a wonderland can make the world go round. But don't let us bring you down. Turn your face in, you'll get along with a little prayer and a song. If you're lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away the tears goodbye. Yan. Hanggang sa matapos na yun. Puro gano'n na yun. So, yun, no? So, hanggang dito na lang yung ating video tutorial, guys. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.